We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Disclaimer, I am not a professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos are for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Friends and family on Discord and Telegram. Families and friends will prosper. Let's pick up for business. Okay, guys, we are marking up Google. That's Google stock. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market. Look at price action, which is the last active candle. We can see the last three candles pushed up, and it's like it's a cap. You gotta figure out what's going on before we get there. Let's head down to the bottom so we can clearly see the market is at an area of lower lows here. So let's start it. What do we see? Double bottom, formation, retest. There we go. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Double bottom formation, what comes after the double bottom? The retest. There we go. Retest. Market pushed up once. This is the doji right here. It's blended. Pushed it once, pushed it twice. We are at a cap. Lower lows. We got doji we found, and somewhere in that area, that will be the midpoint. Just look at the mirror image with the lagging indicator of the RSI. So what we see is that when market was at the overbought area of the 70%, it broke down into this area. So it created that areas of support. Clearly see on this end right here. Market came down once, twice, three times, but created that double bottom on the mirror edge, on the mirror image of the candles. And we got that retest and the market shot up. Once the market reached this 70% area here, this is where the retest happened on the mirror image candles. So from there, the market pushed up, retest. We can see that the RSI line has retested on the overbought area, and we got that push up. Same as here, retest happened. Market pushed up to higher highs. So we can see that this area is at an area high. This area high, so you can break out, retest, push up further, just push up further, or just come back down. We're not too sure what's going on at the moment. We're gonna clear our screen for the markups. We're gonna head down the time frame. Excuse me. Let's head over to the price action candle and let's read. So we can see that price is at an area of higher highs. Something's going on here, so we look like we got a retest going on. Okay, so let's read the market now. So we can see that market was at a double bottom here, double bottom here, double bottom here. There's an incline double bottom here, retest, market shot up. So let's start from here. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Market reached back to higher highs, came back for that retest, pushed up once, pushed up twice, same levels, pushed up a third time. We are at a doji, and the market pushed up for a fourth time, reached levels of higher highs, lost momentum, so like it's a double top there. Market lost momentum, went back to previous areas of support, and it created enough momentum to push up again. So let's see what we're looking at. So we have an incline double bottom. Here we go. First leg, second leg. Hold on. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Hold on. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, Market pushed up once, market pushed up twice, market pushed up a third time. Will there be a fourth, or the market's going to drop? Looking at the price action candle, last active candle, we can see that market is trying to do something in that area. So it's a waiting game right now in this time frame. So let's go down to the bottom. Let's read the RSI indicator. So we can see that market was at an area of lows, and an RSI, it was in a sell position, which we're looking for buys. Single bottom, pushed up, went into the 70% area. So that's the cap here. And then the mirror image will be in this area here. So we do see that double top, market pushed up on RSI once, twice, pushed down. Also in the mirror image here, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Market created momentum, pushed up top, same here. Major support areas, created a momentum for that wide push, and back into 70% area, which would be here. So there's a stability here. Market finally created that double bottom at the end of the RSI, pushed out. And we can see a double bottom here. Market pushed out, and another double bottom's forming, and market pushed up. So is it market's going to drop below the 70%, or is it going to momentum and push up one time? Maybe, maybe not. Let's clear our screen. And we can clearly see also we are in that trend. So we don't know if market is going to head back down to this area here before it goes back up, or we just have that straight up breakout after the previous areas of higher highs. Let's clear our screen. Let's head down to the lower time frame, see if we see anything. Let's head over to price action. Let's see what's going on. So we can clearly see that price action is at a double top. So price actions in the mid-range look like is a double top at the higher highs. So let's read it. We have a cap area here. Market pushed up once, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Double top. So we're looking for a retest. It's probably going to retest something in this area here. So if it comes back up, it'll retest, and then the market will drop down and go back to the previous areas of lows. Maybe, maybe not. It can create some momentum to break up. Let's read the RSI indicator, lagging indicator, to see what's going on. So we can clearly see that we was at a high highs here as a start up in that position here. So when the market broke the 70% area here, mirror image will be here. So that's the support. Once the market breaks into that, it's going to come back down to retest. We clearly see here market came back to retest, not once, twice. The market was gone. So it created an area of, there's another support strong area here, which created the support here for the retest, and the market pushed up to higher highs, which would be here. And then when you look at the mirror image, it became a double top, and this would push the market down. So once the market came to this peak, we had the double top retest, market shot down. It's on both ends. Okay, so now we got to figure out what the market's going to do. The market is in a mid-range. We don't know if it's going to pop off that and go up. So the market can form itself in here, go up, it can go down, it can go sideways. We don't know what the market's going to do just yet. So let's clear our screen. Okay, so the area we're going to be paying attention to is for entry is where price is currently at. So the market is going to identify itself right in this circle. So whatever pattern is going to form, it's going to form right here. We'll be ready to take entry. You know, we came out of a double top. So So let me paint the pictures for you guys. We are at an area of higher highs. Market came back down to a midpoint. If market doesn't rebound off this area, it's going to head back down to this support area here, and we may get a pop off of this. The market may go up or not, but right now it's a waiting game. If we read the last 2-3 candles, the market is showing it's creating some type of stability here with these wicks. So it may be coming off back with a bounce up, not sure just yet. It is a waiting game. So as long as we wait in this circle, the market's going to identify itself. We look at some type of pattern to take entry. For us to figure out what the pattern is going to be for us to take entry in our circle that we created on the daily time frame, what we're going to do is you're going to go to Google. You're going to type in Forex pattern cheat sheets. Review the images. These images will really help you take trades and get into entry. So what we have here, we have the double top. I'll explain. And this looks similar to what we're doing right now. Market's at an area of high highs resistance. Here we go. Tell the story. Market push up once. Second leg, third leg, fourth leg. That's the creation of the M pattern, M formation. What comes after? Market came down to previous areas of support, came back to retest. Market's gone. Okay, so the market may be doing that on Google. The market may be pushing out that fourth leg, coming back to that retest and going down to lower levels. Not sure yet. Forex 101, guys, please understand the breakout retest strategy. Very important when taking your trades. When we are in those uptrends or downtrends, are very helpful. Because when we run into a resistance area, so for example, if we are in that uptrend, and we see here, we see fourth breakouts, and we also see the successful breakouts. With the fourth breakouts is markets at a low, came up to a high. We didn't get a pattern for us to take entry in this area. It wasn't an engulfing pattern. If we had a green candle that engulfed, market would have shot up, but the red candles did form, and 1, 2, 3 closed out below the previous green candle, and the market dropped. Market created enough momentum here, went back to higher highs, wasn't able to break, came back down. So that's the third attempt. So look at it. 1, 2, 3, third attempt. Market couldn't break, came back down, created enough momentum for that fourth attempt. You can see that incline of the trend line. And once market break, we're looking for a retest. We do not see a retest here when market came back down to support. One reason why is because it could be the time frame that's being used. Sometimes when we see long candles like this, we may not see it on the time frame that we on. For example, if this was a weekly time frame, we may not see the retest, but if you head down the daily or the 4-hour or lower, you will see the retest. The retest always happens in the market. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. Google stock.